Hello students, today we are going to start using Adobe Flash to create an animation for yourself. And we can start by selecting the Start menu, Adobe Flash CS4 Professional. And in this Flash movie, you are going to introduce yourself, say something about yourself, such as your name, your class, or your hobby. Okay, this is the layout of Flash. And before we start to create a new document, a Flash document, we have to select Flash file, ActionScript 2.0. Select this 2.0 version of Flash file. And here we can see this is the layout of Flash. And this is the stage. This part, this white part is the stage. Change the color. Stage. And this is the working area of the Flash animation. And below the stage is a timeline. This is the timeline, and it records all the sequence or the in time and out time of any object in the Flash movie. And we have some panels. And actually these panels can be opened or closed using the window menu. If you click on the window menu, and then you can select all sorts of panels. For example, you can close the library, you can close the properties panel, and again we can open it again, open the tools panel. And these panels, actually they can be floated to anywhere on the screen. You can drag it out and then place it in any position you like on the screen. And before we start using Adobe Flash to create our classwork and homework, let's explore the menu first. And with the File menu, and we can save our document using the Save As command. And if we want to turn in our assignment, we have to use Export Movie, so that the animation or the movie can be displayed on the browser. We have the Edit menu. This store all the copy and paste command in the Edit menu. The View menu, we can magnify, zoom in or zoom out part of the stage. Insert menu, we will use the Insert New symbol quite a lot in the first term, or Insert Motion Tween. For the Modify menu, again we can modify the layout of the document, or convert something to a symbol, or we can break apart something. And we will refer to this modify menu later in some later lessons. Text menu, we can change the font size, font style, or the alignment of the text. For the command menu, we seldom use it. And for the control menu, we have to test our movie before we upload or turn it in a model. We can test movie. And debug menu, we will seldom use it. We seldom use the debug menu. And for the window menu, and it is one of the most frequently used menu because we have to switch on or open a certain panel in order to complete our assignment. And now we can look at the timeline. This is the timeline, which is one of the most important panel in Flash. And we have layers, and these are the frames. And we can magnify it using this medium command. And the red line is the playhead. It shows the currently played position of the movie. And sometimes you may occasionally click this collapse icon, and the timeline will shrink to the size of an icon. If you want to resize this, click on this, or you can click on this double arrow. It will restore the timeline to a bigger panel. And there's one other very frequently used panel in Flash. It is the Tools panel, because we need to draw something from time to time in Adobe Flash. So we have to explore. You have to explore yourself the functions of these tools. For example, we can delete any text. This is the text tool. Just type in any text. And if you click the dark arrow or the selection tool, you can drag the object or the text to anywhere you like. And if you want to change the size of the text, you can use the properties panel. If you cannot find the properties panel, use the window menu to open it. This is the properties panel. Position and size. Drag to enlarge. You can resize the text. It will change as you drag the mouse cursor. Okay, and we have the pencil tool. You can draw anything you like using this pencil, but you have to draw using the mouse. And we have also the brush tool. And actually, Flash will try to smooth it or straighten it using. And we also have the eraser tool. We can erase anything you like. Just erase it. Actually, it's quite similar to 小畫家. Okay, and we also have the fill bucket tool. If you draw a rectangle, for example, this is a rectangle, and you can click on this draw or paint bucket tool. You can change the fill color, of any object. These are the fills, F-I-L-L, fill, 填滿顏色. And this is the border color. And therefore you can choose any color you like. Okay. And we also have the transform tool, or the free transform tool. Select this first one, and then you can transform, or you simply just change the shape of the rectangle. Yeah, these are the free transform tool. And if you position the mouse cursor on one of the handles, sometimes it will change to a circular shape. Then you can rotate the object. And transform, yes, this is rotate. And this is it.